Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit by Pam Sperling, and it's cup number 1078211_48749, and it's called Winter Swim. You get 3 sheets in the kit, and it's to fit an 8 by 8 inch square card. Gorgeous card to have in your stash ready to go, and it can be either Christmas or for an occasion through the year. I think it's a gorgeous kit, and I do think the colours are stunning as well, and that's what I think will take it through the year. So let's have a look what you get in the kit, and then we'll make the card. So the first sheet in the kit is actually the card front. Now, Pam has actually left the message label blank. You do get sentiments in here so that you can add your own, or you can decoupage the ones that Pam's designed. So it's multifunctional, and there's the gorgeous, gorgeous image of the deer and the animals in the woods. Our second sheet is the decoupage pieces with the sentiments, the little dog having the swim for the decoupage, and the extra image for the base image to build up the decoupage. These are your sentiments, and we've got a blank one again, just in case you maybe want to rubber stamp and add your own sentiment or message. And then our third sheet is the insert, and it's just such a beautiful insert, and it matches perfectly to the front of the card. So let's make the card. I've got an 8 by 8 inch square white card, and I've also taken 2 of the items from the kit. I've taken one of the blank labels, and I've added Made For You by Anne-Marie. I've just written that on, and I've taken the little dog as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the blank label. I've just got double-sided tape on the back, and I'm going to add that to nearly the bottom of the card. And then I've got the little dog. I've got flat tape on the back of him as well, and I'm going to add him just over the top of the blank label where I've wrote my name, just to make it into a Made For You label. It's going to match perfectly to the rest of the card, and then the recipient that you send the card to will know who's made it for them, and they'll keep it, all being well. So I've cut out the insert for the card, and I've just got double-sided flat tape on the back of it, so I can peel the back of it away, and then we can add this to the inside of our card. And I'm going to add it central so it leaves a little bit of a border around the edge inside the card. There we go. And that's going to tone in perfectly to the outside. So for the outside of the card, I'm just going to use my bone folder to quickly make sure that edge is nice and sharp at the top for when it stands up. Now the first layer for the front of the card is the main base image. I've got flat double-sided tape on the back of it, and I'm just going to peel the carrier tape away, and that's the back of the tape for any new crafters. And I'm just going to position this on the front of our card like that, and then press it down. There we go. Then I can start building up the decoupage pieces. So the first piece is quite a large piece, but it really stands out well. I've got 3D foam on the back, and all I'm going to do is position this over the top of the base image, and then press it down. There we go. Next, I've got the decoupage of the little dog having a swim. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to position that over the top of the previous image. And then I've got the sentiment that says Merry Christmas, I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to position that over the sentiment in the corner. And that is our card finished. And what a gorgeous card it is. And you can see how we've built up those layers on the front. And it's just a perfect design. As I say, it will set you through the year, will this one. Whether it's Christmas or birthdays, and it's just a gorgeous card. The inside matches perfectly, and we've added our own handmade by label on the back. I would just like to remind you of the cup number for this, and you can see any of Pam's designs by going to the Craftsuprint website and looking for Pam Sperling. And it's cup number cup 1078211_48749. And I would just like to say thank you so much for watching. I shall see you next time.